everybody, welcome back to my channel. Subscribe down below, and today I just have a what I eat in a day for you. I'm just gonna show you some meals and let's get into it. So tonight we are having cheesesteak skillet. So I have some hamburger browning in here, and then I cut up these carrots last night, so I'm gonna put them in here and have a little bit of carrot fries on the side. So I'm just going to put these in and add some olive oil, salt, pepper, chili powder, and garlic powder. Oh, that was a lot of garlic powder. Don't put that much garlic powder. I really hate that garlic powder shaker from Costco. It comes out so fast. And yes, I know I can use the other side, but I'd never pay attention. So these are kind of thicker ones, so they will take longer, so I'll probably be putting them in there for about 25 minutes into the air fryer at 375. So I just added onions in there, and then I'm gonna add in these frozen peppers. So I'm just gonna add cheese onto here and then put it in the oven on broil. So this is how it turned out. It looks really good. Derek's putting a tape measure there. And this is carrot fries that I made in the air fryer. And then this is Greek yogurt and buffalo dip mixed together. So good. So I'm not really that hungry, but I wanted something in my stomach, so I'm just eating these peanut butter bites that I made on my TikTok, so you can go follow that. The link's in the description. But yeah, just gonna have 2 of these as a little something with my coffee, and gonna read. Just got an Amazon package. Oh, I got 2, I think. Unfortunately my hair looks like this. I have to fix it still, but unfortunately I don't think it's exciting because I ordered this sports bra, like a long one that you can almost wear as a shirt, that I'm waiting to come in, but I think that's gonna be Sunday. So this is DeWalt Jigsaw Blade Sterix, and then these are sheets, I believe. Not even the exciting ones. This is, I think it's our king mattress, our new bed mattress cover, and then a queen sheets for our old bed, which is now our spare room bed. Oh, and there's, okay. So this is the mattress cover we got. It's waterproof, noiseless, breathable, I don't know, bamboo. Anyways, just a good thing to have under our mattress. And then these, fancy box. This is, I don't know if Derek ordered it. I think it's a sheet set for our bed downstairs. So it includes pillowcases and a flat sheet. But I would have just got the fitted sheet. But it's probably better to have the whole thing. And it's just this dark gray color. So I'm gonna wash this and then put it on down there, I guess. I can't wait to show you the bed that Derek built, our king bed. We're sleeping in it already, but it doesn't have the sheets. We had to use our old sheets and they don't fit. They come off. Like, basically last night I slept on the bare mattress. But yeah, I want to show you that. And oh wow, these are nice sheets. But I'm waiting for our, yeah, it does come with pillowcases. I'm waiting for our sheets to come in, and I ordered them off Wayfair, and Wayfair shipping has been taking so long. And I know it's probably just because I'm used to Amazon where it comes in like a day and a half, but I should have just ordered these sheets. These are really nice sheets. And basically the same color we got off Wayfair, and I think these were cheaper, so probably should have done that, but that's okay. We'll put these on the spare bed. I'm just gonna throw them in the wash, probably wash the mattress cover too. And we also got this pack of charging cords because we don't really have side tables anymore because our bed is so big. I mean, we could have put them in, but we just didn't yet. So we got these long charging cords. These are 6 feet. And then we're just gonna put them over the bed and place our phones on the top. So we needed ones that would stretch that far. So that was in my Amazon package, and not as exciting as the sheets I'm waiting for from Wayfair, and I'm also waiting for this cute little workout shirt. So everything that I order off Amazon, I try to link down below. So if you ever want anything that you see that I say it's from Amazon, then just check the description box down below. Ruger is not happy. He's always waiting to go outside, but I don't want to be outside all day. Anyways, I'm gonna throw these in the wash and fix my hair and then probably get some lunch. So for lunch today, I'm just having a little bit, what's left of that cheesesteak skillet and an apple probably on the side before I go grocery shopping. Okay, so I'm gonna have another coffee before I go out. This one is maple sleigh, and I haven't had any maple ones out of my pack yet, so I'm excited. I take them out of these flavored miscellaneous pack, and I just put those sheets in the washer, and then I'm gonna put them in the dryer. I think they're done now. And then I'm gonna make the bed, and we'll see how they look. This maple sleigh one's really good. They're all pretty good. Again, I think I said this before, but I didn't like the ginger red one, so, but this one's really good. Okay, I have a small grocery haul for you. It was only $70 and I got a thing of milk. I got some taco seasoning, some more chocolate pie because I made one last weekend, so I needed to replace it. Pack of English muffins, some hamburger buns, some Macintosh apples because Derek likes some, Gala apples because those are my favorite. 2 things of banana yogurt for Derek, some romaine lettuce. I got 2 cans of corn, 1 jar of creamy Caesar dressing, and some celery that I think this one already has like the top cut off. Ranch dressing because Derek likes dipping carrots in there. I got this for my chocolate pie. I like the chocolate cut crust better, but they didn't have any, so I got a graham. Oh wow, look what happened to my chicken. I got ground chicken because I was going to make chicken tacos tonight, but I changed my mind and you'll see that in a second. I got some plain Greek yogurt and some toothpaste and some sweet potatoes because we needed them, and that was my little grocery haul. Now for dinner, I know I got Little Caesars. I was out and about and I just could not resist because I love Little Caesars, so I got us an Italian bread. This is our order every time, by the way. We either get Italian bread or crazy bread. This cinnamon dessert because I love it also. And then I always get a pepperoni bacon pizza. So that's what we're having for dessert tonight, and that usually lasts us like 2 or 3 meals. So, yum. Thanks for watching. Subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next one.